What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to fly my beautiful RC plane which I have made at home. So here it is, 4 channel RC aeroplane. In the previous video my VTOL RC plane crashed unfortunately. I am working on my next project, which is VTOL with the 4+1 configuration, much simpler than the previous one. Till then, it is Sunday, so I'm going to fly this. It has got 3S 3300 mAh LiPo battery, 30 amp ESC. This is cheap ESC, but I'm going to use it anyway. Motor so I am going to use 10-inch propeller, and for canopy I will cover it with this simple piece of foam. It has broken, but I will fix it with some rubber bands, no problem. This is the base where I will put this wing. So let's fly it. So guys, here we have come in this beautiful ground. See, a little bit hot, छत पे बैठा था बहनोई, राणा जी हमें माफ करना। Okay, I know guys, it is not a good idea to put your FPV camera right behind of the propellers, as the propellers blocks the view of the camera, and also a weird pattern of rotating blades occurs in the video footage. But I had no other option because the plane was still heavy and there was not much space left ahead of the CG point, so that I could shift some weight ahead to counteract it.
हवा कहाँ से आ रही? हवा वहाँ से आ रही है। कहाँ से? इधर से आ रही है, इधर को।
One more important thing need to be mentioned here, that it is good to install flaps in the plane which weighs about 500 grams, as flaps are very efficient to make plane land smoothly because it helps to generate lift at slow speeds, which is necessary in landings. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe and stay tuned.